The derivative of the natural logarithm of x is given by limit as h approaches 0 of ln x plus h minus f of x all over h. Apply the quotient rule of logarithm to obtain this. Then you use algebra to simplify further to obtain this expression here. Now the next thing is to apply the power rule of logarithm to obtain this expression. Now we do substitution. Let n equal h over x. This implies that h equal nx. So as h approaches 0, n will also approach 0. So this will give us this expression when we substitute back. Now we use the property of exponent. A exponent m n is equal to a exponent m all exponent n. So we use the property of limit and we substitute to get 1 over x as a derivative of natural log of x. Now let's take our time to go through it. So first, this is the formula from first principles. Then next, f of x is ln x. So f of x plus 1 will be ln x plus 1. That's what we get here. We apply the quotient rule of logarithm. So we write 1 logarithm, 1 base, then we divide this and this. So this will be divided by this. That will give us this expression. The next thing is to simplify. So x divided by x is 1. H over x is h over x. Then the whole of this thing here is dividing h. So it's like 1 over h multiplying the whole thing. Now the next thing we do is to use the power rule. When we have logarithm of a number to an exponent, the exponent will come to multiply it. So we go back one step to get this. Now we do substitution. N equal h over x. This will imply that h equal nx. So as h approaches 0, n also approaches 0. So we substitute back into this expression, and that will give us this expression. We are seeing h is nx. That's why we get 1 over nx here. And n is equal to h over x. That's why we are getting n here. Next thing we do is to use the laws of exponent. You know, a exponent m n it is same as a exponent m or exponent n. So this thing here is like 1 over n times 1 over x. So that will give us this as we are seeing. Now we have this as a property of limits. The Euler's constant is equal to limit as n approaches 0 of 1 plus n all exponent 1 over n. So we substitute it here to get this. Now we use the power rule again to use this to multiply this. Then we know logarithm of the base. Ln e means log e to base e, and that will give us 1. So 1 times 1 over x is 1 over x. Therefore, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x.